Stamina. Oh, I can hide. That's really good. Oh boy. I need fuse side. It's locked on the other side, apparently. Oh, Dark Spirit! You still won't let me in, huh? I'm pretty sure I heard frickin' Goblin, or Gollum, whatever the frick his name from Lord of the Rings. Oh, I don't do bugs.